Welcome to our Hyperledger blockchain-based vendor contract management system demonstration. This powerful system tracks vendor contracts, vendor data, and contract payments directly on the blockchain. Here's what makes it special. Once your data is recorded, it becomes completely immutable. Nothing can be altered or tampered with, giving you the highest level of security for your contract management needs. Let me show you how it works. Our system runs on several Docker containers. We have the Hyperledger Farbric blockchain network here, the smart contract or chain code that records your vendor contracts, and Odoo 18 serving as your user-friendly front-end interface. Watch what happens when we create a new contract in Odoo. See that? It automatically synchronizes to the blockchain in real time. Each contract stores comprehensive data, including payment history, file attachments, complete workflow activity logs, and any additional notes you need to track. The system keeps you on top of things by sending automatic reminders when contracts are approaching their expiration dates. After synchronization, Odoo captures and displays the blockchain transaction ID right here. The system then hashes the contract content and verifies it against the blockchain record, ensuring complete data integrity. Users can execute workflows to verify and submit contracts through these simple steps. When you record payments for any contract, watch as they're simultaneously recorded on the blockchain for permanent, transparent tracking. The system performs periodic integrity checks, comparing contract data with blockchain records to maintain absolute data integrity on the Odoo client side at all times. Are you interested in joining our development team? Or perhaps you'd like to learn how to implement Hyperledger for vendor contract management? Don't hesitate. Download or clone the project from our GitHub repository below. Let's build the future of secure contract management together.